Capones Mansion, Bob Dylan, Jennifer Lopez, Philip Frost, Icon of the Seas.
30个人。
今天我们就从这里出发，
摩肩接踵，看着真的是赏心悦目。
水的颜色太漂亮，这就是我们待会儿要坐的船。
可费劲的混响，2层，希望还有我们的位置。准备开船了，看看这一前面就是船长，这里基本说的都是西语，我们完全不懂。
刚出海没多久，我们就遇到了现在全球最大的游轮之一。
I really hope you guys can take photos and record videos, because the only day that you're able to see this cruise in Miami is today.
这运气有点
So
离
yes, you guys are really, really lucky. Take your photos.
第一次近距离看到这种级别的游轮，真的感觉它更像一座漂浮的城市。这不是普通的豪宅，据说他把所有的钱都藏在这座岛上。很多年一直有这个说法，但一直没人找到。听完我都有点想试试了。这栋豪宅的主人你可能没听过，他发明了信用卡背后的词条，也是一位亿万富翁。这艘游艇可以租哦。刷卡的人住在这儿。
Still belongs to Bob Dylan, but as you may know, well, he's not having a good time right now. Apparently, he's taking a little vacation. Supuestamente, yeah, if you guys know, you know. No TV right now.
这个我还是。
那他现在说。
Ricky Martin, la cantante Jennifer Lopez. She bought it on 2020, guys, for only $40 million. Jay from the blog. All this property on the right side belongs to the famous Dr. Philip Frost. He paid $95 million for the mansion, and he also paid $500,000 in taxes every year. Actually, guys, this doctor is 88 years old, and his wife, Patricia, is only 65. Yeah, the owner is the beautiful mansion. The beige one with the This one was actually used for the movie Fast and Furious #2 on the left side. Esta es la mejor vista de todo. Two mansions right next to each other. Those two belongs the famous Cuban couple Gloria and Emilio Estefan. And the yellow one on the right side, Villa de la Luna. It is actually the first one on this island. This one was used for the movie Bad Boys 2. What you gonna do? And the white mansion that you guys can see right now was actually used for the movie Scarface. Actually, all of the cranes that you can see right now were exported from China with a price of $10 billion, and each of those can live over 2,000 containers every 24 hours. A panoramic view of the skyline. Chicos, en unos instantes tenemos acá a la derecha la mejor vista de toda la ciudad. Momento perfecto para que tomen fotografías y es la mejor de toda la ciudad. Actually, guys, all that you can see right now to the left side, that's Brickell Key. It's actually beautiful.